You know what's really tricky? Coming up with new and inventive ways to be entertaining in the introduction of a YouTube video. Welcome back to part 2 of restoring this lathe. I think straight off the bat, the first thing I'm going to be doing is working on the tailstock. I'm going to skip the spiel and I'm just going to get on to removing this thing off the lathe and starting to make it look pretty. So, without any further ado. So when I bought this lathe, it came with a dead stop, which fits in like so. It also came with this small chuck. Again, it's a MT1 fit. I don't know how well you can see in there, but this chuck is very much broken and is probably beyond repair. I've had a good dig around, but basically one of the parts inside is broken and I don't think I'm going to be able to fix it. So instead, I've gone away and I've bought a few new little toys. First thing I bought was a live end instead of a dead end, which fits in again like so, and this end rotates, so hopefully it will reduce friction on the point of this, if you like. It spins with the material. The second thing I bought was a new, slightly larger chuck, which is a 0.5 to 13mm. Again, fits in like so. So, that is the end stock now all done. I'm not going to fit it up yet because first things first, I've got to try and complete the rest of the lathe. But yep, that's job number 1 done. So, with the tailpiece done, the next part I'm going to be working on both the cross slide and the top slide and the tool holder. So there's going to be plenty more content to come in this video series. If you enjoyed this, if you would do me a huge favour and like, comment, subscribe, that would be doing me a massive solid. And hopefully I'll catch you on the next part. Thanks a lot guys for watching and take care. Bye bye.